Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. One look at this masterpiece sets the expectations high. One drive in this CTS and expectations are exceeded. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V6 engine, magnetic fluid filled shocks, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, automatic with driver control suspension management, automated parking sensors, and premium heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.
For value.